In this video, we are using the Geospatial Data Gateway, or GDG, to get historical annual average precipitation data from the platform. Through the gateway, you can select your area of interest, browse available datasets, customize formats, and download data tailored to your needs. This service is made possible through collaboration among the three Service Center agencies: the Natural Resources Conservation Service, NRCS, the Farm Service Agency, FSA, and Rural Development, RD. To get started, go to datagateway.nrcs.usda.gov. The datasets are free, but you'll need to provide your email address to receive a download link. On the top right corner of the homepage, click Get Data. On the next page, begin by selecting a state. In this example, we'll choose Texas. Next, select a county or multiple counties. Here, we'll select Collin County. Add your selection to the panel on the right, then submit your chosen counties. The following page will display the list of available map layers for your selected area. In this step, to access climate precipitation data, select the annual average precipitation layer. Check the box on the left side, scroll down and click Continue. In the How section, choose a file format for the non-image layers. You'll have two options, ESRI Shapefile or ESRI File Geodatabase. Select whichever format fits your needs. Next, define the projection for your data. Only one projection can be applied to the entire order. For instance, select Geographic WGS84, then scroll down and click Continue. In the Who section, enter a valid email address. This will be used to notify you when your order is ready and to send the download link. For the final step, make sure to click the Place Order button on the left-hand side. Without confirming this step, your order will not be processed. After placing the order, wait a few minutes depending on the size of the dataset. You'll then receive an email with the download link. You can also track the status of your request by entering your email address or order number. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you find another dataset for your research or project.